Yes, yes, I'm glad everyone is listening. Thank you for listening to Dish's stream. We're talking about Mafia Bosch. Yar gay pirate cat. Okay. I guess Myajima's a gay pirate cat. Backstab her family just to get that cold hard cash. Uses people to her advantage, no matter what the cost. I want a smoocher. Person on our list, as you can see. We've got the baby boy. You know, I thought for an extensive amount of time before the stream about my choice with this particular character. It was not an easy choice. It the complex mixed emotions and feelings that I had for the intricacies going in Smooch. I would marry him, I would have children with him, which means adopt, because, you know, biology! I don't think they taste very good. I don't want to know what Snatcher would taste like. Yes, he's the ripoff of the little shit. He died in electrical fire, according to Gears for Breakfast. I forgot about that. It's the toilet of doom. I don't know why I put the toilet of doom here. Well, listen. There are plenty of toilets out there that I don't really need to worry about using this one in particular. So, automatically, their usefulness to me goes out the window. So that's why I want to smooch. Just imagine how a full, 10 minutes worth of context clip video of you. You know what? Mad Max? Really good movie. Mad Jack? There is plenty of material out there for you. If you want to spend the time to do all of that, go ahead. I ain't gonna stop you. It is false, and it's not scientific. I have spoken. Before you end stream, will you please adopt me? You never said yes. Alright, listen, go girl, we're gonna make a deal. Bring me 100 chicken nuggets, and I will adopt you.